Alright guys, now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna mix all the wet ingredients, okay? I'm gonna start with the oil. We have the milk. And let's get some sugar. Okay, so now we're gonna continue with some eggs. The orange juice. Vanilla. We mix up a little bit. And now I'm gonna add the zest. Now we're gonna go with the dry ingredients. I'm gonna mix it all together. Comes the salt. Comes the and with a fork just kind of like mix it all up, okay? Okay, and now what you're gonna do, you're gonna mix both wet and dry ingredients. Oh, voila, magic. Here are the cranberries, frozen cranberries. So you just throw them into the mix, okay? And mix it up. Quite thick, as you can see. So there you go. You fill all the crevices and you level it out. Okay, now that you have it in here, we're gonna make it at 350 for an hour.
Let's eat.
So we do the honor, sir.
Let's eat your cake or bread or whatever you want to call it.
And you can like totally see like all the cranberries, how they pop as you were cooking them in the oven. And it's like they're like all over.
So the camera doesn't look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that gorgeous cake. That's beautiful. Now let's hope it tastes as good as it looks. 'Cause it does look good.
I'm such a messy eater.
Nice crust on top there.
It's really good. It is the orange
And the
and
cranberry.
the tart of the cranberries. Yes.
Oh, really good.
Oh, this is awesome.
Oh.
It is
orange bread.
delicious and it's like spongy and everything, and it's like sweet but not super sweet. You know, because some people don't like overly sweet. It's like perfect. I love it.
Thank you for making this, baby. It's very nice. Very sweet of you. Mwah. Mwah.
Enjoy.
All right, guys. With that, we both want to wish you happy home, good luck, happy cooking, and all that. And hey, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really does help us out. Smack that like button. See you soon.
Buen provecho.